How to fix unable to send or receive messages on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix unable to send or receive messages on WhatsApp. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix unable to send or receive messages on WhatsApp, if you're opening WhatsApp, you're not being able to send or receive messages, could be happening due to a couple of reasons. So first of all, if you're not being able to send message only to a specific person, then it still means that person could have most likely blocked you. So that could be another reason why. Another reason is to just make sure you are connected to a proper internet connection. If you're not being able to send or receive messages, make sure you have proper internet connection with you. Then after that, what you want to do is long press the WhatsApp app icon here, tap the I button, then just go to this option called storage and then make sure to clear the cache files only, not data. This is going to delete all your chats, so if you have not backed up, this is not what you want to do. You want to make sure to only clear the cache files, which are the temporary junk files. Now after that, what you want to do is open up your Play Store, simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp over here, and then check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.